In this video, we will learn about greenhouse effect and global warming. With rapid industrialization and quest for more comfortable and better life during the last 150 years, the quantity of greenhouse is continuously increasing in lower atmosphere of the earth, and as a result, the average temperature of earth's surface is increasing. This is called global warming. The word warming means heating up and global is related to earth. So the heating up of earth or increase in temperature of earth is called as global warming. Thus, global warming means an increase in the average temperature at the earth's surface on account of an increase in the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. It has been experimentally observed that since 1900 to 1950, the effective temperature of Earth's surface rose at a rate of about 0.8 degrees Celsius per decade. So, for every 10 years, 0.8 degrees Celsius of temperature increased. It means that in 50 years, the effective temperature of the Earth has risen by 4 degrees Celsius. Since 1970, the effective temperature of Earth's surface is increasing at about 2.5 degrees Celsius per decade, and since 2000, it is increasing at a still more higher rate. It has been estimated by the scientists that if no corrective steps are taken, then by the year 2100, the Earth's temperature may go up to 64 degrees Celsius. Now let's understand main factors responsible for increasing in greenhouse gases in the Earth's atmosphere. As mentioned earlier, the three main greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, methane, and refrigerant gases like CFCs. Main reasons for an increase of their percentage in the Earth's atmosphere are as follows. First, carbon dioxide gas is the chief most greenhouse gas. Increase in carbon dioxide gas in the Earth's lower atmosphere is mainly due to human activities. Some main reasons are as follows. A. The burning of fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, and natural gas produces carbon dioxide gas. B. In nature, human beings absorb oxygen and produce carbon dioxide, but plants and trees absorb carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. Thus, nature maintains its equilibrium. However, during last 100 years, world's population has rapidly increased and our forest cover has decreased, affecting the equilibrium in nature and leading to increased quantity of carbon dioxide gas. It is estimated that world's population emits about 32 into 10 to the power 9 tons of carbon dioxide gas per annum. C. Increased production of cement and certain other chemical products also contributes towards increased emission of carbon dioxide. D. Oceans and seas are not able to absorb full amount of carbon dioxide gas. Second is methane. Methane is another important greenhouse gas. Rice cultivation in villages, burning of biomass in clearing of forest and field, animal husbandry, exploration of natural gas, leakage in natural gas pipe, etc., cause increased emissions of methane and it contributes towards greenhouse effect. Third, increased use of refrigerators, air conditioners, etc., for domestic, commercial, and industrial purposes means more release of refrigerant gases like CFCs. These refrigerant gases contribute a lot towards greenhouse effect. Now let's understand visible effects of global warming on life on the earth. Global warming due to an increase in greenhouse effect has resulted in affecting our lives in the following ways. First, the variable changes in the climate of different parts of the world have created difficulties for human beings and animals and have forced people and animals to migrate from one place to another. Second, the change in seasonal climate has produced an immediate adverse effect on plants and simple organisms. Third, blooming season of different plants and crops has changed due to global warming. Fourth, certain changes in world's ecology have been observed in last few decades. Fifth, the number of heat stroke deaths is increasing all over the world. Now let's understand possible future predictions or consequences of global warming. We have seen above that if present rate of increase of greenhouse effect and consequent global warming continues unabated, then the average effective temperature of the earth's surface may become 64 degrees Celsius by the end of present century. This situation is really grave and scientists feel that this may lead to following devastating consequences. First, disappearance and dislocation of large number of plant and animal species. It is estimated that more than 50% of plant and animal species which are presently available on the earth may vanish due to global warming by the year 2100. This is because the climate is changing drastically and these animals and plants won't be able to adapt at this increasing temperature. This will cause a huge disruption in the ecosystem. The animals from the equatorial region may be forced to shift to higher latitudes in search of colder regions. Next is warming of ocean. As temperature of ocean water will increase, a large number of marine species may either die or they may disappear. On the other hand, some other species which prefer warm water may increase tremendously. Again, it is expected that amount of oxygen dissolved in ocean will decrease but absorption of carbon dioxide by ocean will increase. These factors will adversely affect the marine life. Next is melting of polar ice caps and glaciers. Due to global warming, ice from polar ice caps will melt at a faster rate. Due to melting of ice, the area of sea around both the poles of Earth will shrink. Again, a large number of glaciers in Siberia and Greenland have started melting quite fast. Due to these factors, the sea level is, on an average, rising at rate of 3.1 mm per year. Scientists fear that within next 50 years, the global ice caps will melt altogether and sea level may rise alarmingly. We know that due to increase in temperature, glaciers are melting at a faster rate and because of this, sea level will rise at an alarming rate due to which coastal areas may get submerged. As a result, the number of habitations near sea level may be submerged. Moreover, roads and buildings in the coastal area may get flooded and also suffer vast damage due to hurricanes and tropical storms. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.